baby, welcome to the party. I'm off the money to Xanaline. That's why I'm over retarded. That's why I'm over retarded.
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suites on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck, to look around. Find one to see.
Good morning. I don't know if you're hearing that noise. It's a loud morning here. Anyway, so I just woke up. Guys, my name is Amisi Missy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you know what time it is? It's 11. I'm not even kidding you. It's 11:05. I don't know how this video is gonna go, but I realized that when I film, I romanticize my life more, so I want to be filming more. And the one that help me with, I also be in content.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What she saying?
The one that help me with, I also be in content.
Cut black and delete.
It will also. Let's just reset for 1 minute, because I just think it's because I'm just waking up. Today I was low-key hoping it will be 8, but it's 7 and it's Wednesday. I haven't done my skincare routine because I want to do that when I go shower. So I want to have breakfast. I already have my sheets in here, my beddings, like my sheets and pillowcase and towel. Yeah, and I still have this whole bunch to wash, guys. That's what's up. This are done laundry. That was supposed to go. I don't know how that's supposed to go. But yeah. You guys, I cannot express how in love I am with this song. I don't know. I just love it. It's like it is what it is. Everything. Nobody can understand the way I feel, and we're drinking cold now.
Then my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. For survival, a lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night, though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light, though. I can show you bigger things than that. Just gon' be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass. All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing though, women they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Baby, we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
Good morning, guys. I think the last time I saw you was on Tuesday. Yes. Nasikiza makelele. Nakwambia huku. It's just construction and construction, and I'm really so happy we're in December. I don't know. Guys, imagine I started working out juzi. Jana, actually. Yesterday was Wednesday. I started working out yesterday, and I'm just doing like tummy workouts because I've really been letting go of my tummy. That's working out, like doing tummy workouts, and my tummy is on fire. It's I don't know, the only way I'm gonna get rid of this pain is if I continue working out. That's the problem. That the song, man. To be creating content, y'all. This song, that's a bit too much, y'all. I'm gonna be doing this every single fucking video, so I don't know the number. Flexing on the sneakers, every bone and muscle. And I like to give a shout out to my niggas with the game plans. And shout out to my niggas with the skate plans. Reindeers, like to load it. Roll my blood. Nilitoka hapa na aim ya kubuy one thing, okay, like two things only, but here we are. Things I needed for my video. I'm doing a smart off video, so I got it. I got like 3 of them. Yeah. Did you guys know it's 5.5% alcohol? Then I got a couple of makeup products that I needed. First of all, lashes. This is the lashes I got. So I got a new pair of lashes. I love them. I can't wait to try them. Nazijaribu to say because I'm doing a video right now. Then I got this lip gloss. And I got matte lipstick. And I got lash glue. The last time I was in this position, I'm sorry, the lighting. Stima zilipotea. I didn't even get to post that video. It was so chaotic. I think I'm overdoing this shit, man.
To find someone like you,
Is defrosted, ready to be cooked. No. That's our oil. And that's our samosa. And that's our bread oil. Butter samosa. Butter oil. Some drink as we are cooking. Yeah. Go in with Don't talk to me.
Ayun.
The rest of the year, Siko area, tutachikiana next year. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you. Tutaonana next year. This is literally the last video of this year. But next year, y'all should be ready for this bitch. Bye. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Is up vitu zote. Yeah.